my channel. I'm Rihanna, and in today's video I have two DIYs for you. The first one is a twine wrapped foam egg. In the beginning I use my fingers a lot to kind of hold down and create the spiral. Once that is secured around the top, I then am able to spin the egg in my hands while holding and guiding the twine around the egg. I got the egg from Dollar Tree, and the twine I ordered online from Amazon. So every so often I'll add some glue, and I'm just using some school glue or Elmers glue and a paintbrush to paint on the glue as I need it, and then I just sort of wrap the twine around, and then I will rotate the egg while holding the twine and guiding the twine around the egg until I get to the other end of the egg, and then that motion of having to use my fingers to create the spiral on the very bottom of the egg. And so once that is complete, I allowed the egg to dry overnight and then used it in my decor. Now on to the second DIY, where I am making a faux blossoming twig. So it looks as if I've cut off a branch from a tree, and I am forcing it to bloom. So I'm using faux flower heads that I'm going to add onto this twig that I had during Christmas. This is actually cedar, and I have taken all of the leaves, I guess you call them, off, but you can see some remnants of that still there. But basically what I do is take these flower heads that I got from Amazon and firmly press them on the ends or the tips of each of the little branches, I guess, of this twig. I wanted to make sure they were all in the same color. In my mind, this particular tree blooms this lilac pinkish purple color, and so I pulled all of the same ones out of the pack, and then I attached them to the tips of the twig. And you'll have to press firmly if you decide to do this, but at some points I did break off like the itty bitty parts that I tried to attach to, so just be careful if you decide to do something like this. And you could also, if you wanted to, go down the length of the branches. You could hot glue some of these flowers to the branches, the length of the branches, but I just decided that I just wanted mine to be on the tips. So going down the length, if there was a little node or a little short section, if there was a little short section, I would take the flower head and press it onto that. So I just repeated this until I had the look that I wanted, and then once I finished, I just put it into a vase to add it to my floral arrangements. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you'll try this DIY. And until next time, bye.